affordable option, and definitely you can consider. As mentioned in the video, I love them. Also, they do lack. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Prakriti. How are you all? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So in today's video I will be recommending you all the brushes that you actually need. I know festive seasons are knocking at the door and you have already bought your fair share of makeups, but what you are lacking are the brushes and you don't know which applicator to use. And here I will guide you exactly with what are the brushes that you need in your collection for the application of your makeup. Especially I'll be going ahead and reviewing the Marska Tools of Titan is a brushes set, and I will tell you all whether you should go for this set stuff or you should go for the individual brushes, because this one is an affordable option although it does not include all of them. You know what I mean? So if you're interested to know what should your brushes set gonna look like, please dive into it. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you're seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to makeup, beauty, lifestyle on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and without any further delay now, let's get quickly jump into the video.
So first we'll be talking about the foundation brush. Now this one is from the Marsa's Tools of Titan set. It got a very beautiful flattened end which makes it gives a broad base for the application of your makeup. The brushes are not too stiff or not too fluffy, perfect for application. Now I will show you here the application with the help of the L'Oreal Tinted Serum foundation and how it goes. So it's very easy to just give you that perfect base of your makeup because it blends super easily onto your skin. What I found is that if you are using a lightweight watery texture foundation, that will blend seamlessly, whereas if you're trying to blend a high coverage thicker foundation with this brush, sometimes it will give you that very strokey effect, for which you can often consider a beauty blender for the final look. But this is what my review will be. The brush is very beautiful. It's like super good quality and it gives that very nice natural looking finish whichever foundation you use. So the next brush I have is again from the Tools of Titan set. It calls the concealer and highlighter brush. Although it's a good brush, but the ends are like very fluffy. It's not especially apt for a concealer, what I feel. So rather I go ahead and use a different brush from the Marsa's itself. It's an individual brush that I got. It's again a concealer brush. It's a very beautiful one because it's got a very nice angular shape that makes it super easy to go deep inside your eye areas and all, and make it super easy to blend. The Marsa's Tools of Titan brush is more fluffy, whereas this golden brush is a stiff one, so it makes it easier precise application of the concealer. So let me show you the difference now. As it got the angle, it goes deeper into your eye areas and the corners it targets, and it's easy to blend with a targeted application, and by dabbing it you can really nicely do it. Whereas the Tools of Titan brush got a fluffy end and it's moreover dusting the excess kind of brush, not really apt because the bristles goes inside your eyes literally. So I rather use it as a contour brush for the precision application, although the contour brush, if it had been a little more fluffier, would better. But as I have got in the set, I have to use this concealer and highlighter brush. I don't know how they have mentioned both in one because it doesn't seem like highlighter brush to me either. So I'm trying to just use it all, and here it goes. It blends nicely being it's fluffy, and it's very easily the product gets melted into your skin. If only if you are using a creamy product, that makes it super easier, and the blendability with the brushes really increases. So yeah, I use it as a contour brush, and also around my nose areas and all, it gives that precision wala blending which I like the most, and that's how I'm currently using. Is that it's definitely what the name suggests, is a concealer and highlighter brush. I don't think it's apt for both, because if it's a highlighter brush, I would rather see it as a fanning effect wala brush which got a flattened ends, but this is a very fluffy one. So the next brush I'm having is a powder brush. Is again from the Tools of Titan brushes set. Now this one is absolute a game changer. Whatever complaint I had in my previous one, this one is completely the opposite. It got long bristles, very fluffy. It's perfect for applying any powder products onto your skin, and it's blends super nicely and easily, and you can also use it for dusting off the excess on your face as well. So these are only the three brushes that you get. And yeah, for the foundation brush, the concealer brush, which I don't think is apt, and the powder brush. Now moving to the next will be all the eye brushes. There are 5 eye brushes that you get along with in this set itself. So first is a blending brush. This fluffy one, good, it's nice for blending, I love it. And yeah, the qualities of the brushes are all great. The next one, clean brush, it says. It's basically a very flattened brush I use for application of any sparkly product along my eye corner and inner eyes. The eyeshadow packing brush basically. So it's a flat packer brush with a great for packing the matte and shimmer eyeshadows as well. And next I got this pencil brush, fluffy ends. And lastly I have this angular liner brush. So now I will show you the application. I'm using here first the blending brush to blend all the base product onto my eyelid first, and then I will be going along with it and using mostly all the brush I have tried to use except the pencil brush. No, pencil brush I have used for my lower lines, and it beautifully blends as well. And all the eye brushes are very apt. I don't find anything extra you need and go ahead to purchase. And these 5 brushes are very beautiful, and there's no need of buying any extras, whereas for the face brushes I have still a lot to say. Okay, so moving to the next brush, it's a blush brush. Now this is not from the Marse's Tools of Titan set. Already mentioned, it does not include a blush brush. Now this one is from Wetside. Now Wetside provides a lot of beautiful brushes. Their qualities are also great. Particularly the brush I'm using here right now is the one I got from like offline stores में जाके मैंने लिया. So also I will be recommending a blush brush because I don't have the link of this particular one. Will be from Mars again, is the Artist Ursula range, and they got 2 brushes. One is the powder blush brush and another is for the liquid blush brush. Both are beautiful. My personal favorite will be definitely the liquid blush brush, definitely, because it's more fluffier and you can work with it for the powder blushes as well. Absolutely love it. And so that link will be provided in the description box below. So the next, for the highlighter, I am using the concealer and a highlighter brush that comes in the Tools of Titan wala set. Ideally it's not that great as highlighter, I would say, but it blends nicely, being it's very like stuffy and fluffy bristles it blends nicely. I personally would rather use more a fanning effect and a flattened brush, but this works good as per the the availability of the brushes I have currently. And yeah, that's pretty much of it, and that will be the recommendation for the brushes.
So my makeup look is complete. I have shown you all and went through all the brushes, and especially the ones that actually you need. Now this one is very good, affordable option, and definitely you can consider because their quality as per the pricing is top notch. And as mentioned in the video, I love them. Also they do lack some of the brushes in their set, so that already I have mentioned. So these will be the 2 brushes that you definitely gonna check out. And also for the inner corner, as mentioned, is this blunt brush right there. So yeah, that will be the extra 3 brushes. Otherwise this set is great. So that's it. That's how my brush collection look like. Absolutely love it, and that's pretty much of the video. So if you liked it and enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up, and I will see you all super soon with again another festive content on this channel itself. So till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.